हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम बात करेंगे कुछ मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स की और कुछ बाथ एंड बॉडी प्रोडक्ट्स की। आई विल बी गोइंग टू रिव्यू देम, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सबसे पहले आई हैव दिस मेबेलिन का फिट मी फाउंडेशन। ये एक्चुअली आई यूज़ आफ्टर अप्लाइंग माई फाउंडेशन बिकॉज मेरी स्किन बहुत ऑयली है, तो मुझे उसको एक पाउडर बेस से फिनिश करूँ तो मेरा ऑयल थोड़े लंबे समय तक नहीं आता है। तो दैट्स वाई इट कम्स लाइक दिस एंड हैज़ अ नाइस लिटिल पफ, पाउडर पफ with it and a mirror also, so very handy to use and best for oily skin. And next up we have I have actually two eyeshadow palettes, one from Maybelline New York Lemonade Craze. इसमें we have got multiple colors are there. If you and if you are a beginner, they have 3 separate looks at the back. You can look at them for guidance, and I find this quite nice. I mean, once again, हाँ, इसमें कलर्स बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, पिंक्स एंड येलोज एंड कोरल एंड ग्लिटर वाले शेड्स भी हैं. But if you're looking for more sophisticated colors like browns and nudes, so this another color palette from Lakme 9 to 5. This is the one. This is very compact and very classy, and it comes with a brush also. This one does not have a brush. You have to buy it separately. But इस Lakme वाले में you get a brush free, and the shades are very classy and very nude. And by the way, this is the one that I've applied currently. Next up we have we have a highlighter from Maybelline New York. This is Master Chrome by Face Studio. I usually don't apply a highlighter, but sometimes, you know, when there is a party or a function, to highlight my features I use it. And this one is very nice, very subtle, very metallic. Okay, so next up, yeah, this is my favorite. Actually, I was looking for an eyebrow pencil for long. I even ordered one from Rimmel Studio. It contained a shade of dark brown and a light brown. But you know, Indian skin tones it won't work. At least not for me, because I have black eyebrows. So this one from Miss Claire, this is perfect for me. I've applied this also, and this comes with a brush. You can brush your eyebrow hairs and shape it as you want. Okay, next up, yeah, we have lipsticks now. So I got this MAC Mini ka pack. This is a MAC Mini pack of nudes. इसमें if you are like looking for everyday lipsticks, then these are the ones. There are very nice shades of nude colors. I'll link everything in the description box. There are shades of pinks and there are shades of browns. I do like it because I don't apply lipstick that much and not gaudy reds and all. So this is perfect for me. Mini and perfect nudes. So next up we have, if you are looking for a red lipstick, a staple red lipstick in your makeup kit, I would suggest go for this one. This is MAC red lipstick and it is very nice. It gives a satin finish to your lips, lasts long, and even if you eat and drink stuff, it won't come off easily. So I have this is a MAC ka lipstick, a very good investment. Next up, if you're looking for budget lipsticks, then I would suggest go for this Color Bar. Color Bar has a nice collection. These lipsticks are more of a matte kind. It will not give a satin silky finish or shiny finish, but more of a matte. I have 2 shades, one is peach and one is pink. Shade 108 and shade 109. Both of them are matte shades. This is the one I've applied. Okay. So the makeup products are done. Now let's come to bath and body products. So I have, first of all, this Dove ka body scrub, body polish scrub. I've just ordered it and I've unpacked it. I've not used it, but it smells just nice. It smells of pomegranate. I've ordered this pomegranate seeds and shea butter variant. It smells nice. I have to use it. Okay, next I have this body polish strawberry softening body butter. This also smells of strawberry. It's a very nice smell. I have not used it. I just shifted. I'll use it and make another video about the review. Okay, next up I have this Body Shop Strawberry Smoothing Face Mist. This is a multi-purpose product. You can use it at night before going to sleep or after makeup. You can apply it. It gives a very fresh feeling. It smells of strawberry and it's very nice. Next up I have the Body Shop Strawberry Hand Cream. This I usually apply at night before going to sleep and it leaves your hand very smooth, soft and smelling nice. Next up is this aloe vera gel from Khadi Natural. I would like to give you one suggestion. If you are looking for an aloe vera gel, don't go for those green colored products, because if you see aloe vera gel naturally, it is transparent in color, and in markets we usually get it in green color and they have added that color. So always look for a transparent aloe vera gel. And Khadi Natural is an Indian brand made by village women, so it is very economical and very nice. It smells nice, easy to use. Yeah, awesome. Next up we have this Color Bar acetone free nail enamel remover. Now earlier we used to use these acetone nail removers and they left my hands very dry and white. So this one comes without acetone and leaves my nails really nice, enriched, and this is very nice. Try to buy nail removers without acetone. So nail polish remover nowadays comes in this variant, white variant. I earlier used to use Huda Beauty wipes, but I used to rub it like 50 to 40 times to get it removed nicely. So I got fed up and I ordered another one. This is Insight Makeup Essential Nail Polish Remover. It is for 30 rupees, you get 30 wipes, and I've used it and this one is very nice. After 2-3 wipes only, it removes entire nail polish and works very nicely and does not leave your nail patchy, white and dry. So this one is nice. Okay guys, that is all for today. Please like my channel and subscribe to my channel.